Wonders of science.
For today's weather forecast, expect heavy rain that will start at around 11 o'clock this morning. Don't forget to bring your umbrella and raincoat.
Mom, it will rain later. Do I have to go to school?
Is that so? Let's check the weather.
Okay, Mom, let's go outside.
Oh, you might be right, son. The sky looks very dark.
So, does it mean that when the sky is dark in the morning, it will rain?
Yes, son. That happens most, if not all the time. Given the dark sky, I also think it will rain.
Breaking news. Signal number 2 is raised in the areas of NCR and Calabarzon. All classes from kinder to college are suspended. Everyone must prepare emergency items and basic necessities.
Son, you heard the news anchor, so let us start preparing for this storm. Help me gather all the items we need, such as food, flashlight, water, and medicines.
Is this an emergency item?
No, it's not.
What about this?
Yes, it is.
After almost an hour of non-stop rain, the water started to rise and caused a flood.
Mom, look, the water is getting higher and higher.
Son, we must leave now. The water is getting in the house. It's already 12 inches high.
All right, Mom, let's finish packing and let's go.